already have one of the best microphones in your arsenal already, and that's going to be the one that came with your iPhone, these ones. This microphone right here on this side of your headphones, it really is one of the best you can get for an iPhone. Now, there are betters, but you already have this one, and the sound quality is pretty darn good if you do a couple of things with it. First thing, I'm looking to use the microphone. That's my plan. That's what I want to use. So I personally do not care about the side that doesn't have the microphone, the left earbud, if you will. This one, I don't need it. I'm just looking for the microphone. And if I want to listen to my video, I can always use the right one. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this one right here, go ahead and put that one on a piece of paper. Be careful you're choosing the right one, the one without the microphone, because once you chop this off, there's no turning back. Then I just take a little razor blade, give it a little cut. You could use a scissor. Get that bad boy off of there. Razor blades don't like to cut through metal very well, but boom, we'll get that out of there. Got it yet? There it goes. So take this one right here and cut it off and throw it away. Don't need it anymore. Now we've got one long string here, one earbud, and one long string. And this is going to be the microphone we're going to use. Now, the other thing you might want to do, because you wear black clothing, or a lot of people wear black or dark clothing, and they don't want necessarily for the mic to show up in their clothing, move this back a little bit, grab a Sharpie like this, throw it on a piece of paper and just color it up. And that'll color it black, and so when you do your video, you're less likely, your audience is less likely to be distracted by the cord hanging down from your iPhone. Okay? The next thing you want to do, and unfortunately I don't have it with me, but if you have some faux fur at home, maybe you've got a blanket that's got some fake fur on it, or a scarf or something like that, take a scissor and just clip off a few clippings of that. And then go ahead and take a little bit of maybe super glue, and what you're going to do is you're going to glue that little piece of fur on here, and just enough to go around the front of it so that you can have what's known as a dead cat, and that'll help reduce the wind noise. So that's probably the fastest, easiest, least expensive microphone, and you're going to be amazed by the sound quality. So I'm going to go outside and I'll do one with and without, just so you can see the difference. And truly, it's remarkable, the difference. Now, so with it trimmed apart like this, I don't put the earbud in my ear and go like this. And then of course, when I'm doing my video, it falls out. My ears don't hold on to it. Plus it's also distracting. So once I've got this all painted up black, what I'm going to do is just drop it into my lapel like so to do my video. I don't need the earphone. I just need the headphone at this point. And now I don't have to worry about it dangling or falling out or pulling it out of my ear. I just need it to be right at my lapel. And then I'm going to go ahead and plug this into my iPhone, and that gives me more than an arm's reach out with that. And so I'll go ahead and do that and show you the examples. Stay tuned. Okay, Mary, I'm going to give you this comparison with the mic. So right now I've got my iPhone and I do not have the mic plugged in. So this is just the mic coming off the iPhone. And I wanted to come out because today is a super windy day. In fact, if you look at those weeds blowing around. So it's probably a 25 to 30 mile an hour wind out here. And if I hold the phone out here, you're probably having a hard time hearing me. And there's lots of wind noise. So I'm going to go ahead and then plug in my my iPhone earbud and give you a listen of that as well. Hang loose. Okay, so now I'm out here. I've got the earbud plugged in into my iPhone. You can see how windy it is back there behind me. And all I've done is I've taken that earbud, plugged it in, and then drop it down my lapel. So I'm just dropping it down the front of my shirt or down the front of my coat, whatever's best for you, of course. And now it's there and it's not obstructing. You can't see the wires. I've got the phone out about as far as I had it before, and hopefully you can hear the difference between the two. But a super simple solution. Hope you found this helpful. Feel free to share it with your teammates. Thanks a lot, Mary.